What's the difference between which and what? And what does whose mean? Ese whose tuyikoresha ryari? Cyangwa se ni irihe tandukaniro riri hagati ya which and what? Let's get started. Tugiye gutangira kuri which. Ese which itandukaniye na what? So which tuyikoresha. Which is used when choosing between things or people. Ikoreshwa mu gihe turi guhitamo hagati y'ibintu cyangwa se hagati y'abantu. Twahawe liste y'ibintu cyangwa se y'abantu, twabwiye guhitamo ikintu kimwe. Ikindi, which is limited option. Tuba twahawe liste y'ibintu tuzi tugiye guhitamo. Gusa byo bitandukanye na what. What yo tuyikoresha, what is used for general information. Nta liste y'ibintu tuba twahawe turi buhitemo. Ntabyo tuba tuzi ya. Ikindi, no limited choice. Hari limited choice, ntabwo tuba twahawe ibintu twahawe wenda nk'ibintu bitanu ngo duhitemo kimwe. No. Yo iri general information. Let's get started from first example in this side. Which book do you want? Ese ushaka ikihe gitabo? Hari igitabo mbega batuzaniye nk'ibitabo nk'ibitabo bitanu. Baratubwiye se ushakamo ikihe gitabo? Wenda se tuzi n'amazina yabyo. Hari dictionnaire, hari igitabo cy'imibare, hari igitabo cya chimie, hari igitabo cy'iki. Ibyo bitabo byose biraho, ndaje ngo ndi gushaka igitabo. Bahise bambaza which book do you want? Ese ushaka ikihe gitabo? Kubera ko tuzi baduhaye guchuzinga between things. Baduhaye guchuzinga hagati y'ibitabo. Ushobora kuvuga ngo ndi gushaka icya chemistry. Baduhaye limited option. Baduhaye amahitamo ari limite. Urumva ibyo turi buhitemo byose turabiruzi hariya. Ubwo turahitamo kimwe. Gusa hano, what book do you want? Ese ushaka ikihe gitabo? Hano ni igihe nta gitabo na kimwe baduhaye. Ngiye muri library, mvuze ko ndi gushaka igitabo. Bahita bambaza what book do you want? Ese ushaka ikihe gitabo? Ubuhe bwoko bw'igitabo? Ni chemistry, ni iki, ni iki, ni iki. Ariko hano tuba tubizi. Hano which book do you want? Ese ushaka ikihe gitabo? Ibyo bitabo tuba tubizi biri hariya, hari cya chemistry, ya tuba tubibona liste yabyo. Urugero rwa kabiri, which color is better? Ese ibara ryiza ni irihe? Umpaye amabara umutuku, umuhondo, icyatsi, ubururu. Wisumbaza which color is better? Ese ni irihe bara ryiza muri aya? Ni irihe bara ryiza? Wampaye amahitamo. Gusa hano nta mahitamo wampaye. What color is better? Maybe turi gushaka gutera irangi, gupointinga inzu yacu. Ese turi kwibaza ni irihe bara ryiza bizajyana nabyo. Ntabwo tuzi nyine, nta mabara baduhaye duhitamo. Cyangwa se bampaye impitamo. Ese bahise bambaza what color is better? Ese ni irihe bara ryiza? Ni irihe bara ryiza ubona ryajyana n'ibi ngibi? Ushobora kubabwira any color of my choice. Ushobora kubabwira ibara mpisemo ry'ubwanjye atari mu mabara nahawe. Gusa hano which aba ari ibara tuba twahawe liste y'amabara. Tukabazwa ese ni irihe bara muri aya ngaya ryiza? Gusa hariya ho nta bara tuba twahawe. Which student is won? Ese ni uwuhe munyeshuri watsinze? Ni uwuhe munyeshuri watsinze? Ibi bitandukanye no kuvuga ngo who won. Hano dufite abenshi bamenyere ko tubaza ngo who won. Ninde watsinze cyangwa se ninde watsinze? Ninde watsinze cyangwa se ninde watsinze? So which student is won? Hano dukoresha which mu gihe dufite abantu n'ubundi bazwi. Like Claude, Eric, Obedi, Gadi, Inde bari muri competition. Turabaza abo bantu ko aribo bari gukompeta. Kandi hari umuntu umwe uri buze gutsinda. Tuzabaza ngo which student is won. Ese ninde watsinze? Turabazi baba bari compete. Ese ninde watsinze? Ntabwo uzabaza ngo who won. Ese who won tuyikoresha ryari? Who won tuyikoresha mu gihe tutazi ikipe irwana n'indi, like nk'iyo turi mu gihe cy'amatora, by his excellence turi gutora mu gihe like perezida w'igihugu, hari abantu batabazi n'abantu bari gukompeta, urumva akajya kumva uti hari umuntu watsinze mu bantu bari gukompeta, ashobora kubaza who won, ese ninde watsinze? Ntabazi. Iyi who won turayikoresha mu gihe tutazi abari bari gukompeta, gusa mu gihe tukari tubazi turakoresha which. Guys, don't be confused because we are using this which, and maybe some of you know that we have always to use who, but this is correct. Which student is won? Ninde watsinze? So hano ntayo nasizemo kuko ntabwo bavuga ngo what student is won. Yo, byo ntabwo ari byo. Which phone is yours? Which phone is yours? Hano nzaniye amatelefone atandukanye, Samsung, iki n'iki. Uri kumbaza nihe telefone yawe nihe muri izi? Telefone yawe nihe muri izi? Wampaye liste y'ama telefone. Which phone is yours? Ese telefone yawe ni hano tubaje ngo what phone is yours? Hano tuba turi gushaka kumenya ubwoko bwa telefone yawe. Ushaka kumenya ubwoko bwa telefone wenda inshuti yawe ikoresha, ushaka kumubaza what phone is yours? Ese ukoresha telefone y'ubuhe bwoko? Ushobora kuba Samsung, Tecno, ese ukoresha urumva nta liste. Ushaka kumenya ubwoko ntabwo uzi. Ubwoko ntabwo uzi, ahubwo ushaka kumenya ubwoko ni ubuhe. Ese ni Samsung, ni iPhone, ni Pixel. What phone is yours? Ubwoko bwa telefone yawe ni ubuhe? Hano which one is correct? Like kwa kundi turi muri class turi gukora nk'ikizami, uzabona baguhaye nk'ikibazo bakakubaza ngo which one is correct. Nko ku rupapuro cyane cyane nk'icyongereza baguhaye ama option cyangwa se multiple choice, bakakubaza which one is correct. Baguhaye liste y'ibintu ugomba guhitamo. Urahitamo kimwe kiri correct. Kubera ko baduhaye liste y'ibintu tugomba guhitamo, turakoresha which one is correct. Ese ni ikihe kiri cyo? Noneho niyo tuvuze ngo what is correct? Maybe umpaye nk'ikibazo unsigiye ahantu ho kuzuza, urambaje se niki twashira mwaha kiri correct. What is correct? Ni iki twashira mwaha wenda se kiri correct, nta liste y'ibintu wampaye nde buhitemo. Ese kiri cyo ni iki? What is correct? That was the difference between what and which. And I think you have mastered this. And let's take a look on this whose. Whose shows possession, who owns something. Whose yerekana nyiri ikintu. Like it can also it is also used for people and things. Ikoreshwa ku bintu ndetse no ku bantu. Ushobora kuvuga ngo whose book is this? Ese iki gitabo ni cyande? Whose phone is this? I telefone ni yande? Whose chair is this? I ntebe ni yande? Muri ubwo buryo. Second, whose phone rang? Ese telefone yasonye yari yande? Whose phone rang? Ese telefone yasonye yari yande? Cyangwa se telefone yasonye yari yande? Whose idea was it? Ese igitekerezo cyari cyande cyangwa se cyari cyande? Igitekerezo ku muntu uzi like ku muntu uzi tenses kandi n'umuntu utarazize, reba hano hejuru, reba no hejuru kuri ako kantuza kaje ugakandeho ujye kuziga, ujye kwiga amatenses. Ndetse hariho nandi iri somo nurijyaho urabona some of the overview of the tenses. Ntabwo uri zose uri buzibone, gusa nushaka kumenya tenses zose uragenda scrolling ku mavideo yacu, hari izindi uri buze kubona tenses nyinshi ko twajya tuzigisha mu mavideo atandukanye. Uraza kugenda zose zimeze nkaho ziri ahantu hamwe uratuzibona, kuko video tumaze gushira kuri YouTube channel yacu ziracyari nkeya. So ku muntu wize hano tenses ushobora no kubaza ngo whose idea is it? Iki gitekerezo ni cyande? Cyangwa se whose idea was it to start business? Ese igitekerezo cyo gutangira business cyari cyande? Whose idea was it to start business? Ese igitekerezo cyo gutangira business cyari cyande? Cyangwa se whose idea was the project? Ese igitekerezo cya projet cyari cyande? Cyangwa se whose idea was this project? Ese igitekerezo cy'iyi project cyangwa se this song cyari cyande? Whose car is outside? Ese imodoka iri hanze ni yande? Cyangwa se ku muntu uzi tenses ushobora guhita ushiramo was ugatuvuga ngo whose car was outside? Ese imodoka yari iri hanze yari yande? Cyangwa se imodoka yari iri hanze yari yande? Whose bag is missing? Igikapu kiri kubara ni cyande? Cyangwa se whose bag was missing? Igikapu cyari kiri kubara cyari cyande? Whose bag is missing? So this is the end of our today's session. Nimba iri somo rigufashije kandi kuri subscribe, udukorere kuri like, niba ngo na ngombwa usharinga ku nshuti nabo bamenye ibyiza biri aha hantu. So let's meet in the next session. Thank you for watching.